We are associated with mobile industry. We have been supplying handsets to major LFRs of India like Reliance, Chroma, Vijay Sales, etc. We are having more than 850 employees working in the group. Annual revenue is more than approximately 200 crores of the group.
We were experiencing efficiency and productivity issue in our customer support department and got to know that SAP can be used for our end customer services as well. So we got this SAP installed for some time for the experimental basis. But now I can say that once it has been installed, the result is really better. Handling of complaints and customer return is really smooth, and the final result, our customers are happy and we are having more satisfied customers.
We were not able to plan our stocks and track the customer orders for timely delivery. Now with SAP, these issues have been resolved. We are now able to get the entire required data available with us in real-time basis.
Real-time data is helping us in keeping proper track of stocks and its replenishments. Now we are able to get proper MIS, which is helping us in maintaining cash flows and fulfilling customer orders on time.
We feel complete customer satisfaction, which is the value our company shares with SAP, along with to always be the best in the industry.
As we started our journey in year 2017, we were looking for the robust ERP system which can put full controls on our processes and provide centralized controls for the management. We came to the interaction with CBS and they proposed SAP Business One, which was fulfilling our requirements. I must express my utmost satisfaction with selecting CBS as our implementation for SAP Business One. From the very beginning, their team of dedicated consultants and project managers showed exceptional understanding of our requirements. Their expert guidance and recommendation on the best practices have been instrumental in ensuring in successful execution of SAP Business One. Throughout the implementation, we never encountered any major challenge thanks to CBS proactive approach and commitment to excellence.
Proud to be with part of this industry because this industry is going ahead with a great space, and really the future is very bright. When the technology evolves, so the more and more upgrades are in the market. We have been associated with SAP. They are really the part of our business.
As far as technology upgradation comes in the corporate culture, we will continue our partnership with SAP Business One.